As you can see, looking at my Tacoma, I've got a really bright set of LED fog lights, but the one on the passenger side's got a pretty cool trick. Let me show you what it can do. So as you can see right there, as I turn the fog lights on and off, this passenger side fog light goes between amber and a bright white. And the reason that it does it on the passenger side and not the driver's side is that I've got two different products. The driver's side is just a standard LED. Passenger side is a new fixture that I just got. And it's pretty handy actually, because depending on the driving conditions, you're gonna be better off with either that white light or the amber light. If it's just a really dark night, you've got a clear sky and you need maximum brightness, you're gonna be better off with the more white light. But if it's really stormy, if you've got snow or fog, the amber light is actually gonna be better in those situations. And so having a fixture like this where you can switch between the two offers a really nice advantage. So this is the product that we're using for today's installation. It's from Last Fit, and if you guys have watched some of my other Tacoma videos, I've got quite a few other Last Fit LEDs on the truck, and they've performed very well. I've been very pleased with their products. You'll see inside we've got the little product manual, and then we've just got a single fixture because I already took out the one for the passenger side, and we'll go ahead and do a quick installation here on the driver's side. So this is our new fixture. So it looks like most other LEDs, and we've got this little attachment here, which you just take these two pieces, pop them together, and then screw this guy on, and it becomes one single apparatus, which is then plug and play in the Tacoma. If you're interested in picking up this product, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Changing your fog light is super easy on the Tacoma. It literally took me less than a minute to do the passenger side, and the only hard thing on this driver's side is trying to hold a camera at the same time. Now, I would show you the location of the fog light inside the engine compartment, but you're not really gonna see much because I can't get the camera down into that view. What you're best off doing is just kind of looking at where the fog light is here, reaching your hand inside. You can kind of peek in there and get your hand down to that location. It's pretty easy to locate. And once you get it there, you're just gonna twist the fixture counterclockwise. So I'll just look down in there, get my hand in that general area, twist counterclockwise, and then there's a little adapter that's clicked on with the factory wiring. So we just gotta unclick that, and we've got our fixture out. So you can see this is the little connection point. So you just got a little plastic piece that you just push in on, you can pop that out. And then I mentioned twisting counterclockwise. The reason for that is that we've got these little three knobs on the edges, and you've just got to twist those out of place and then pull it out. So now that we've got this fixture out, we're just going to install the new one, which again is just as easy. What I'd recommend doing is putting the fixture in first, and then once we've done that, you'll see we've got the same adapter here. Just pop that into the factory connection. And then of course, because this is a little bit bulky with all the wiring that's hanging off here, what I'm going to do is grab a zip tie and just kind of secure this whole thing to some of the other wiring that's nearby, so that it doesn't really, move around or make any noise when I'm driving. So with that, I'll just take this. Oh, and one other thing real quick, when you're twisting this, you'll see that on the perimeter here we've got these two smaller knobs and then one larger knob. So it's dummy proof as far as the installation. You can't install it incorrectly. You're just going to line those up and twist it. It may take 3 tries to get it lined up just the way that you need it, depending on if you get lucky or not. To get that bulb screwed into place and connected with the attachment, I had to set down the camera, but again, it's super easy to do. It's dummy proof. You just line up those 3 little knobs, twist it clockwise a tad, and then do that electrical connection. Again, we'll want to do the zip ties to secure those extra attachments as well. But before you do that, I recommend that you do test to make sure that the lights work. As you'll see, I've now got the amber lights on for both the driver and passenger side. It's got a pretty cool look to it, and I love the fact that you can toggle between the clear and yellow lights. So super easy installation to do. Again, the link to the product is in the description below. I've done a number of other LED upgrades on the Tacoma as well, so if you're looking for additional videos, I'll link all of those in the description. For more 3rd generation Tacoma videos, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.